What actually happens inside your body when you eat 2 eggs every morning? It sounds simple, but those 2 eggs can affect your hunger, muscles, brain, and even what you eat later in the day. And one of the biggest effects starts happening before you even feel it. First, your body has to break those eggs down and turn their nutrients into usable building blocks. But here's where it gets interesting. 2 eggs don't just give you protein. They deliver a combination of nutrients that can influence what happens over the next several hours. So let's follow those 2 eggs through your body. Once you eat the eggs, digestion begins breaking their proteins into amino acids. Your body can then use those amino acids to maintain and repair tissues, including muscle. And there's an important reason this matters in the morning. Your first meal can help determine how satisfying the next few hours feel. Protein tends to be more filling than carbohydrates alone, so a breakfast containing eggs may help you feel satisfied for longer. For someone trying to manage their overall food intake, that can be useful, especially if it replaces a breakfast that's mostly refined carbohydrates. But the protein story doesn't stop with hunger. Your muscles are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. They need amino acids to keep that process going. And eggs are especially interesting because their protein contains all 9 essential amino acids. That makes egg protein a complete protein. If you're exercising regularly, getting enough total protein throughout the day matters far more than any single food, but 2 eggs can still contribute useful protein toward that goal. But your muscles aren't the only part of your body paying attention to breakfast. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient your body uses to make acetylcholine, a chemical messenger involved in memory, muscle control, and other nervous system functions. And here's the surprising part. Choline isn't a nutrient people usually think about when they think of breakfast. Eggs are one of the more concentrated dietary sources of choline. That doesn't mean eating 2 eggs suddenly makes you smarter, but it does mean your breakfast can contribute meaningfully to your daily intake of this essential nutrient. Now let's move somewhere you probably weren't expecting. Your eyes. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina. These compounds are particularly interesting because they help protect tissues from oxidative stress, and the yolk is where most of them are found. So if you normally skip the yolk because you think it's the unhealthy part, you're also throwing away many of the egg's micronutrients. But now we have to talk about the question almost everyone asks: what about cholesterol? Eggs contain dietary cholesterol, especially in the yolk. But dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol in exactly the same way for everyone, and the overall dietary pattern matters. For many healthy people, eggs can fit into a balanced diet. But individual responses vary, and people with certain health conditions may need personalized dietary advice. And there's another detail that's easy to overlook: what you eat with the eggs may matter just as much. So what happens if you eat 2 eggs every morning? You get a convenient source of high-quality protein, along with nutrients like choline, vitamin B12, selenium, and carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin. But don't expect 2 eggs to transform your health overnight. The real advantage is what happens when a nutritious breakfast becomes part of your routine. 2 eggs aren't a magic food. But if they help you build a breakfast that's satisfying, protein-rich, and nutrient-dense, they can be a surprisingly useful part of your diet. And if you want to know what happens when you eat 3 eggs instead of 2, that's where things get even more interesting. Subscribe, watch the next video to find out.